Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2019 Infiniti Q50. We end up installing the shock sensor to the factory alarm system here in Fort Lauderdale. Basically, when you arm the system, you got to give it like 40 seconds. It's got a little lock there that's solid. And then once it starts flashing, that means it's ready for you. That delay is not me. That's part of the way the factory alarm came. Remember, I didn't install an alarm in this car. I'm adding a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. Okay, the light is already flashing. Normally what you got to do is they love these rims. This car will be tempted to be left on 4 bricks with the rims and tire theft. What you got to do is you got a lug nut lock set from factory, but you want to get 2 more from a different company, because what happens is the dealer only has a certain amount of key combinations, because in the event that you break or you lose the key, and you got to get brakes done, they don't want to have a bucket with 10,000 keys and sit there all day and try one by one until they find the combination. That's why they limit themselves with 13 key combinations. And apparently everybody has those keys, not to mention that when people have broken into other cars in the past, they have taken the keys out of the glove box of the vehicle, and they have collections of keys. Just to be safe than sorry, you buy another set, maybe put 2 more in. Roll with this one and just add 2 more, and that will be good. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire, and the alarm is gonna go off. And by the way, when you buy the lug nut locks and you put them on, don't think that, oh, okay, I'm gonna be safe. No, you are buying time, and you're giving the reason why somebody, whoever's gonna come steal your rims, you're giving them a reason why they gotta do some banging. That doesn't mean they can't stick a 19-inch socket by pressure and hammer it in and retract the lug nut locks out. You can see it on the bottom of the video how it's done. You're just buying time, and the best thing of all, the shock sensor will love you, because when they bang on the socket to take the lug nut locks out, the shock sensor will pick up that impact. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. I think I armed it. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. I'm not 100% sure. No, I did not arm it. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the system. Okay. Now we gotta wait a few more seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just bang on the glass, and that will fire off the alarm. Yeah, this shock sensor upgrade is a must in these Infinitis. Ready right now. I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the key lock. Okay, and that will disable the factory alarm by hitting the remote start. Will still work. All the functions in the car will still work. Nothing gets disabled while we do this. A lot of people wonder, hey, if I had the shock sensor kit, will my remote start still work? Yes, it will. It has nothing to do with any of the functions in the car. Everything stays under warranty. This alarm was installed here. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Fort Lauderdale by my auto line specialist. The number's at 305-298-4815.